A young man was kidnapped and brutally assaulted by a group of at least 10 attackers for allegedly sending obscene messages to his former girlfriend in Bengaluru. The incident was captured on camera and it is in fact on your screens there right now, where the youth was seen to be kidnapped, stripped and assaulted by a gang. The accused in this case have in fact been arrested and said that they were allegedly inspired by the actor Darshan case. Remember that actor Darshan had been arrested over charges of murdering or ordering the murder of Renukaswamy, who was a guard who had also in fact been involved in a similar case. He had allegedly sent obscene texts to actor Pavitra, who was a friend of actor Darshan. And following those text messages, apparently a contract killers were hired to kill Renukaswamy. And later on in the investigation, the police said that actor Darshan had ordered the hit job. Let me go across to my colleague Deepak for more on this. Deepak, first of all, a very disturbing case being reported from Bengaluru. Tell us more in terms of the investigation and what it has revealed so far, and also a very uncanny resemblance with the Renukaswamy case.
Well, more than resemblance to the Renukaswamy case, the appalling aspect here is that the accused in the case, while actually assaulting this young, boy, go ahead and even make a reference to the Renukaswamy case and say that this is like the Renukaswamy situation, point at the camera at the people who are there thrashing this individual and said that this is accused number 1, 2. So it's a stark reminder that, crimes like the Renukaswamy murder, of course, while it is so brutal and heinous in nature, there are also people who try to replicate it, and that shows the mindset of these individuals, doesn't it? Now, while the police have arrested 8 people, including the girl who's said to be a mastermind in this case, this entire issue has happened allegedly because this man or this youth sent obscene messages to this girl who he was in a relationship with previously. This girl then informs the other boys to come together and thrash him. They strip him naked, brutally assault him, even hit him in his private parts, is what we are learning. Totally 8 people were arrested and some of them out on bail. One of the main accused in this case is this minor girl.